Let's elevate your Google search campaigns with these top 3 optimization tips. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. Keyword relevance is king. Your campaign's heartbeat is keywords, but not just any. Think relevant and powerful. Understand your audience's reach, intent, and tailor your keywords to match their queries. Use exact, phrase, and broad match wisely. And don't forget to employ negative keywords to filter out unrelated traffic. It's all about being seen by the right eyes. Tip number 2. Ad copy that converts. Your ad copy is your virtual handshake. Make it resonate, make it compelling. Craft headlines that grab attention. Utilize descriptions that evoke curiosity, and ensure your CTA turns that intrigue into clicks. Speak directly to your audience, solve the query, and watch those click-through rates soar. Tip number 3. Leverage ad extensions. Unlock the full potential of your ads with extensions. Cyclic extensions guide users exactly where they want to go. Call-out extensions spotlight your USPs, and structured snippet extensions showcase specific aspects of your product or services. More info equals more reasons for users to click and convert. Remember friends, optimization is a journey, not a destination. Consistently analyze, refine, and elevate your campaigns, ensuring they're not just seen, but they're succeeding. Dive deeper, optimize smarter, and watch your Google search campaigns not just perform, but propel to new heights. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos like this one.